Aloha, Mike here, and today we're taking full advantage of winter in Hawaii to put on, I can't even make that work. To tell you the truth, today is helicopter day. And we're out here with a pilot that I know well. Her name is Christy.
Christy, with a K. It's my first day flying.
Let's go inside, see what's going on, see how everybody's checking in, and let's get on a scale and make sure that I don't weigh too much and the helicopter will take off. One of the things you don't always learn about right off the bat if you're going on a helicopter ride is, here in Hawaii you could be all dressed in your aloha attire, nice bright tropical shirt, and then you get a ton of reflections on the inside of the glass and it makes it harder to take photos.
What happened? I told you to wear all black for reflections.
So we're gonna go ahead and change into some Johnny Cash attire, just wearing all black. And I think we should do it now.
That is much better. Thank you, Mike.
So, tell us a little about yourself, Christy.
First day flying. I just watched some YouTube videos, just took some online classes. Okay, retired Army pilot. Okay, flew Chinooks right here, Mama Hill climber.
And why are you taking us today?
Because y'all are my crazy friends. You're gonna be in an EC-130B4, all right? So, kind of nice.
That's a lot of letters.
Yeah.
Is it blue?
It is blue.
Okay. We're blue helicopter. That's all we need to know. We're in a blue helicopter.
Look at the chart. Here we go. Blue Hawaiian helicopters. This is what we're doing. Stop looking at my blue.
How long's the flight?
About 48 minutes plus or minus 30 seconds.
Wow. It's pretty detailed.
Yes.
All right. And what are we going to see today?
You're going to see most of Oahu. You're going to see a little bit of Waikiki. You're going to see Diamond Head, Hanama. You're going to see the sandbars, Sacred Falls, hopefully, depending on the weather, and definitely Pearl Harbor. We're going to be flying over the Arizona Memorial. Okay, we ready to do this?
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, getting over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much further. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth. When you're holding me, when you're holding so close, I'm further in on me.
Honolulu Tower, Empire 9605, visual 8 left to the south. Repeat that, Papa House, approximately 4 left, 10 left, 4 left, 4 east, and then 4 north, 4 left, 4
I love you. I'll give you everything you want me to. Think about it if I could. I'd run down the moon and give that to
landing. I'll just keep my eyes closed and scream inside the whole time.
On the left to the pass line. 050, I think just good pickup on 8 right, American 8 Heavy, thank you.
All right, favorite part of the flight, what was it?
Landing.
Landing?
No, I really liked the Sacred Falls. I thought that was really beautiful.
And what was your favorite part?
I was housed between Sacred Falls, coming through that valley when watching PI take a nap. The most expensive nap.
How much was that nap?
It's a $198 nap.
$198 nap. We got to find that guy. There,
Share the aloha.
We're going to do it one more time. Ready? Okay. Final thing to remember, we had a great time, great flight. Thank you so much to Christy for coming out with us, taking us out, showing us a great time. And whether grown here or flown here,
Spread the aloha.
there you go. Thanks, everybody.
So, Mike, seriously, was that not the most amazing helicopter flight you've ever been on?
No, yeah. Now that was totally the best helicopter experience of my life.
Yes, yes.
Nice.
High five. Woo!